Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I will be doing Who Knows Me Better challenge with my mom and my boyfriend.
Where winner get no? That more no.
Winner will get $1,000.
Make sure the pass pot.
Make sure it's $1,000 the pass.
Put it on right.
Put it up now.
I'm gonna be right back.
Yeah, put on your $1,000. Come on, you're scamming.
Yes, sir. Me and a friend know it.
That me I say
Competition and $1,000.
That's why I'm going to win, you know. Don't feel like we win the $1,000 quick.
$1,000. Alright. It good. First question. Start off with simple. Wait, if I do it like me ask one person or who first answer?
That's one person.
No, if we don't want to get the chance to get the answer first. Ask the question I will get the answer. Ask the question
I will do head and tail and then start off.
No, ask the question I will grab the answer.
Number one.
Make sure you have enough questions, you know.
What is my favorite word to say?
Babe.
Mummy first say.
And I think the moment I said probably something else today. Alright.
Everything babe. Grandma call me babe. Or text me babe.
Alright.
Make mistake I call him babe. Number two. Who is my favorite person?
Millie.
Good.
Millie.
She's the one. Millie is my the cookie there. Yeah, like where's the sister them here? Millie is my baby sister. I love her bad. Alright, next question. What is my favorite food?
Rice and mackerel.
Curry chicken back.
Rice and mackerel.
What you say?
Mr. Curry chicken back.
What?
Curry chicken back and rice.
Mummy rice.
Oh yeah, say to me.
If I'm a curry chicken back, rice and peas or anything, or ackee and saltfish.
Oh yeah, say.
Rice.
Let's go.
So mommy, one more.
Money.
Yeah. What do I love to do in my spare time?
You
On
read.
Instagram.
You read. You go on Instagram.
Me have to get to mommy because you start off with read Instagram.
But you always pass read. You always the online read.
Why you know about Instagram?
You always the online
Always
read.
upon Instagram.
Yeah, but I read a lot, but me feel like I spend most of my time on Instagram, like food, like tutorials and all of that.
Ready again.
Like we try to up
Me
with me cooking.
Alright.
Next question. Where is my favorite place to be in the house?
In our
bathroom.
Yes, the bathroom.
Google the bathroom every day, every night.
I treat she look bathroom.
You look bathroom.
Yeah, I spend most of my time in the bathroom. All of me not do nothing.
I don't know.
Your bathroom always smell good.
Bathroom always smell good. Alright. What is one bad habit that I do every single day?
Yeah, it's a tear off my ears.
That's not a bad habit. What you say? One bad habit when I love. I don't know if it's bad, but that's a my bad habit.
Bad habit?
I don't know if you have a bad habit you do.
Yeah, bad habit, man.
Love long up your mouth.
No. Alright, so none of them they get it. Anything when I scratch on my body or touch on my body, I smell it.
Oh, achoo. Everything.
I say
When she do me, she scratch so many and smell it.
No, I don't know if it's me, but if me scratch my ears, me smell it. If me scratch my ear, me smell my dance.
But just cringe.
But me always wash my hand, you know that. Me wash my hand, anything me do, me wash my hand. Alright, so none of them they get it right.
Oh, yeah, true.
Alright. What do I prefer, juice or water?
Juice. Baby, you have to tell me say water, but I know you prefer juice.
Wait, what me prefer?
You prefer juice.
Water.
In a food relationship.
She ever have her bottle of water, she have work, she just drink water.
She work when you know.
No, but before this before this me love drink water because my mother, when my mother makes soursop juice, we only can get 1 cup. So anything after that a water.
A juice, yeah.
Alright. What do I prefer? Porridge or soup?
Soup.
What me prefer, mommy?
Alright, let's make it that one wrong.
Well, I say porridge, but not oats porridge.
Yeah, I love porridge. Cornmeal porridge, yeah.
Well, I lose badly.
Alright.
Don't know, come on, just pass it.
I can't pass it.
No.
I can't pass it.
Mommy want me done through she and lead. What is my favorite fruit? My want me to cook, that's why. What is my favorite fruit?
I know, orange. Oh, never. Mango. No, say no love mango.
Yeah, no mango.
Apple.
Porky girl.
No apple or red banana.
Oh,
Banana.
wrong.
Mm.
Mommy, what my favorite fruit? Mommy,
Hold on, let me go.
this is your daughter.
I don't know, I don't have a pint today at all.
Fruit.
Sweets, when Lisberry.
Okay, I'm not to eat Neesberry.
Oh.
Anyways, mango and orange are my favorite. You know
You told me that she mango as a free pint.
You know, Mama used to stone out your mango off your tree.
Yeah, before me you start talk.
I love mango and orange. If then you say I love mango. Yeah, so no, I'm not getting a point.
Come and dash me free pints.
Where do I spray my cologne or any fragrance?
Up here,
Up
my pipe post.
Yeah. Alright, where else?
Your hand, your
Yes.
so.
Yeah, but me not share
But you
about
have
the
to
movie, you know.
share.
Me not. No, you act where else. Not share about the movie, you know. Alright, go
Alright.
on.
Mama, question me case.
No.
What's me
You want your money, that's why. Alright. What is the first thing I do in the mornings?
Brush your teeth, go bathroom.
You wake up and go bathroom.
Yeah, be specific.
You go use the
Brush your
toilet.
teeth.
You go use the toilet.
No,
She go
you're
use the-
wrong.
She go use the toilet. She don't brush her teeth.
Me do everything like daddy. What daddy do every morning?
Yeah.
Yuck.
Yeah, every single morning. Me not care. Call me LT.
I just hear that.
Yeah, every single.
Everybody start thinking
Yes.
Now go ask me encyclopedia.
Yes,
Mr.
no,
Father.
you go to the bathroom, go do it every morning at LT. Every morning.
Me not have bother
So that
ask.
means the mommy just say specific. You basically go do it every morning.
Ooh.
You basically go confirm.
Yeah, me do
Okay,
it every morning.
Good.
So I mean, get it right because you said use the
Mommy say
toilet.
use the toilet. but-
Yeah, but you do that when do that toilet.
No,
No, you said brush your teeth and I get it right.
No,
Yes,
no,
you get it
but-
right.
When it comes to share that.
No,
No.
when you use the toilet, it's either you do or you poo.
But you said be specific.
No, that's
Mommy,
specific.
but when me I do number 2, me do number 1 first.
Thank God. I never know the TV number 1. But go on still.
Well, me no know.
Alright.
Alright, who is my favorite male?
Me?
Oh, Jesus.
What you say? What's my favorite male?
When you say favorite meal, like what? Like what?
In my life.
You know must me.
In your life?
Yeah.
If I don't be this, me done.
Yes,
What
no
is
charity.
it? Yeah.
Got it! Got it! Me walking there. So we be there, sir. No, sir. You have to give me 5 days.
I love my stepfather. I love Jason, but you see,
In-
my
in-
stepfather,
in-
I'm only father when I know. I love him.
I'm not fighting against
He make me cancel me too, like my timetable go way up to all 14.
I'm not cuss Chalky still.
Alright.
I take that burn.
What is one thing that I don't eat? I don't like to eat it. I don't like to smell it while it's cooking.
No, she loves sardine bad. Can't be sardine. You can't be sardine because you eat sardine already. You eat sardine already.
Well, she eat everything. She eat pork, she eat chicken, she eat fish. Because I said it alone, we can't take it.
What you would say? Mommy said sardine. What
Me
you
not
would say?
dash my 3 points. Hold on. What you not like it when you cook? Yo. What you not eat? You have to be somewhere there we are. If you don't eat it, you know they.
And me not like when, even when we go somewhere and it's a cook, it can smell it, and me not like it, turn me off.
Salt mackerel?
No. Then come me a count down. 5,
I can't remember.
4, tripe and bean.
Oh.
Me would never get that because I don't like that either. Me don't like that
Me
either.
not like that smell. Alright. So, mommy and lead. Mommy there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Me about 3.
And Jason there 3.
Don't know.
Alright, so the question now we're gonna give anybody who win this get 2 points.
Oh, Jesus.
So if me win this still, me still not gonna pass the woman. Go on.
But
I have a feeling you
no,
want
wait.
this
No,
money.
alright.
No, we don't want-
Anybody win this get 2
I
points.
don't want to buy it. Come.
Alright.
Going for the 2 points.
What is one thing that I don't like people to tell me to do?
To do.
Yeah. One thing I don't want nobody, me not like when people tell me to go do that.
What she plays?
You know like when people. Let me tell you this.
Let me tell you.
Put them in 2 points. Put up in 2 points.
Alright, mommy win.
Yeah, mommy win.
Oh
So my
my
mother know me better than my
God.
boyfriend.
Money.
But let me
You
tell
know say, when you play quiz when I tell you mommy me beat you. And 19 out of 20 me get.
I'm going to
And
get
you get 8 and you come in back now.
Yeah, so I go.
You should have asked them.
Thank you. Merry Christmas.
You get it also? So I know my money that you are going to spend for me. No!
I'm not give back your money. You don't do a thing, but I can ask you back.
Work it out. Me need to go do that. But let me tell you something. If me get up in the mood to go wash the plate, them me have in my mind say, yeah, me go wash the plate, use
So
bleach,
you know what?
clean up the
Nobody
kitchen.
can go wash the plate.
If you tell me to do it, you just turn me off. If you just turn me off, you just go like you force me to do it, and me did already have in my mind.
Glad me I take note of them thing I know, cause
some my mother know me better than my boyfriend. My mommy over there so cook, so that's why she back out for she a pip. Well, she not doing a big cooking because today at Christmas them normally cook on. When they normally cook New Year's, like family things, so them now cook. But they come over here to get some food. They now cook no food. But thanks for the support. Let me see how much came reach. Please, 5. I'm 5 subscribers away from 5K. I'm 4,995. Thanks guys for the support. I really appreciate it. If you're new to my channel, please turn on the notification bell. And if you're there from long time, welcome back. Thanks for the support. Love it. My boyfriend know me. My mother know me more. My mother win $1,000 a while ago. No, she ignore because she get the money and God.
No, I'm not ignore.
Alright.